Hey, what's up guys? I made this video to show you how you can repair AVI videos on your Mac OS. So I had an AVI video on my Mac that all of a sudden got corrupt and I couldn't play it anymore on any of the media players. So after lots of research and using most of the repair tools, I came across this fun repair tool on the internet that can guarantee to repair your AVI videos in just 4 mouse clicks. The software that I used can be downloaded by just visiting this link and clicking on the download now button that you see here. The software just took 4 mouse clicks to repair my corrupt AVI video and I could play it on my media player without any issues after it was repaired. So if you have AVI videos on your computer and want to repair them, then I think this is the best software you can find on the internet to repair the same. I'll once again repair my corrupt AVI video and I'll show you how easy it is to repair them using this software on your Mac. So before I repair my video, I'll just play it for you and show you that it's corrupted even before I repair it. So here's the corrupt AVI video that I have on my Mac and I'll play the same. And here you can see that I get an error saying that my file cannot be opened. This video was playing fine and all of a sudden got corrupt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair that video using this software. So this is how the main screen of this software looks like when it's launched on your Mac. All you'll see is a button called Open, which lets you browse and select your AVI video that needs to be repaired. So I'll click on Open and select the AVI video that needs to be repaired. So once I've selected the AVI video, I'll click on the Repair button and repair the scene. The repair process will take a few seconds depending on the file size. So what I'm going to do is I'll just wait for the repair process to complete and we're done with the repair process. And this is the file description of the repaired video. And what I'm going to do is I'll save this video to a folder on my Mac by clicking on the save button that I see down here. And I'll save it to the folder that I have on my desktop. So click on save. And the software now begins to save the video to that folder. So I'll wait for the saving process to complete, to which I'll go back to that folder and play the video. And we're done with the saving process, so let's go back to the target folder and check if the video has been repaired successfully. So here's the repaired AVI video and let me play it. And here you can see that my video is playing without any issues. So as you could see in this video, I was able to repair an unplayable AVI video using this software on my Mac. So if you have a corrupted AVI video on your Mac, then don't worry, just get this software. I've provided a link in the description below using which you can download this software and repair all your corrupted AVI videos on your Mac and play them again. So that's it guys, this is all it takes to repair corrupted AVI videos on your Mac using this software. I just wanted to show you this and I hope you liked my video. Anyway, thanks for watching.